This video will show you how to copy and paste your contract deliverables from Excel to UniPhi. Start by selecting your project. Go into the Contracts module and select your contract or create a new one. You can export a blank contract to get a sample document with the UniPhi contract headings. When your spreadsheet is ready, press Import. Now go to your spreadsheet and copy your contract details. The only required details are level, which determines the parent and child deliverables, and the description, which is the name of the deliverables. The rest can be done in UniPhi if you want to. Once copied, go back to UniPhi and paste into the box. Use the drop-down menus to map the columns to the UniPhi contract headings if it hasn't been automatically detected. Once mapped, press Validate to ensure your data is correct before importing. If there are no errors, press Import. Now you can close this page to see your contract. Thank you for watching this UniPhi tutorial. For further inquiries, use any of these contact methods.